back and hold the white paddle latch on top of the outer bowl lid. Flip over and insert paddle on the bottom of the lid. Install pre-frozen pint inside of the outer bowl. Install processing lid, ensuring the lines on the lid and handle align. Twist until you hear a click. If this occurs, two things could be the cause. Wait 2 minutes for any ice on the shaft to melt. After 2 minutes, try releasing the outer bowl again. If the issue remains, it's likely due to buildup. To prevent this in the future, use a damp cloth to wipe down your spindle after processing. Continue these steps until the lid releases. If an E2 error appears on your UI, make sure to check the following things that could be causing it. Make sure pint is open. Check to see if the nozzle is clogged. If you have added mix-ins, they could be too big and clogging the nozzle. Remove your pint and enjoy the remainder by scooping it out. Otherwise, remove your pint and re-spin to soften the ice cream for dispensing. Occasionally when dispensing, a popping sound made by air bubbles may occur, which is normal and is no reason for concern.